Hello everyone, my name is Carlozia, and today I'll talk about a new simple app that I made called German English Vocabulary. This is how the app looks from my phone. This is the logo of the app. Let's now test the app. This is how it looks from the Android emulator. Here I have four main categories: numbers, family members, colors, and phrases. The idea of the app is to help teach German learners to know both English word and its corresponding German word. Not only that, we can also hear the pronunciation of the word in German, like here.
Eins,
Um,
10,
if we go to the family members,
Der Sohn. Die Tochter.
if we go back, colors,
Rot. Schwarz.
and finally phrases.
Guten Tag, Tschüss.
So let's now discuss the code briefly. In the activity main.xml here, we have the four main categories. If we click on each one of them, a certain method is triggered, like here the colors method triggered. So here I make an intent and go to the activity of the colors activity and start the activity. In the colors activity, I make a list and add to it words. These are word classes that I made, and I add to it four main things. First, the English word, then second German word, and then the audio file of the word for the pronunciation of it, and finally the image of the word. Both the drawable and raw files are in the resources here, drawable and raw. Another important point to talk about here is that I didn't use the general or normal array adapter, because array adapter works on a single text view, and here in the colors activity I do not have a single text view. I have two text views here and two image views here. So I made a custom array adapter called word adapter in order to accomplish this thing. In the word adapter, here I make my custom XML file called image double text views, like here. Here I have two text views and two image views, like here. Two text views, two image views. And I make a find view by ID to each text view and image view, and then I return the list item view, and then I set the adapter of the list view with this adapter. Another important point to talk about here is how the app pronounces each word. If we can see here in the image double text view here, if we click here in this area, a method is triggered called play audio. So here, this is the method play audio. Here, these few lines of code, its responsibility is to know which view in the list that I clicked on in order to pronounce the respective word, and I get the position of it and the resource, which is the audio file, and then I use a media player class to pronounce the word, and I start it here and then I release the resource. So
Blau.
this is how I
Schwarz.
also we can rotate the app. So this is the app. I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.